how to complete human verification in SproutGig. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to complete human verification in SproutGig. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to this SproutGig's website. So let's go ahead and sign in to this SproutGig's website. So here what you have to do is log in, or if you don't have any account, you can just click on sign up option and you have to enter your details over here and then click on sign up. And if you have an account, let's click on login and then you have to put your details. So once you click on this Sprout Gigs, you will see there are various gigs that are available. So over here you'll get some tasks such as human verification. So if you try to solve that human verification, it does not work the most of the time. So yeah, I recommend you to not engage in those tasks where it is given to many human verification tasks. So I recommend you to not do those human verification tasks as they are mostly scam and they do not work properly. So that's basically how you can complete human verification in SproutGig. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.